Hello year 3, this is Miss Olu. Today I am going to be teaching you how to add three-digit number together and how to solve missing number questions. Actually, today's video I'm doing this video because of some of my parents have children in year 3, and because I am a private tutor and I help young primary school children in how to do their learning, help them with homework and help them with school work as well. So this week, yesterday actually, I have to help some few of my year 3 that are finding three-digit number together, adding to three-digit number. They're finding it really tricky. So I said to the parent that I'm going to make a video because she said she doesn't know how to help our child. So today's video is for any parent that wants to help their children at home, how they help them at school. So I'm going to show you a little bit of some of the sum that these children have. So most of this sum are some of the sum that my children add from school. So we solve it together. So today we're going to do the same. I'm going to help you teach your children, and your children can actually watch as well. So it is going to be like an interactive video. If your child is watching, she can just get a paper or pencil or a book and start working along with me. So let's start with this. We'll start with a simple two-digit number first, because the simple one is much easier for us to do first. Then we now do the three-digit number. Okay, so let's say you have a sum that is like this: 24 add 36. So this is the tens and this is the units, is the ones. The children have been told that they have to start from the ones. So 4 add 6. This is where some of my children find it really tricky. 4 add 6, we know if you add 6 to 4, we get 10. So we can't write the whole 10 here. So we have to write 0 here and put the 1 here. So now that 1 is now under 10. So that one is 10. Okay, so we're now going to add all the numbers on this underneath the tens column together. So 1 add 2, we know is 3. 3 add 3 is 6. So our answer to this question is 60. So 24 add 36 is 60. Okay, so let's quickly do the second one. Okay, this one is going to be three-digit number. This is the one I am actually thinking that it might be tricky. Let's write our 100. Don't forget to always do that, and always align your number. It will help. So let's say we have 264. Add 123. Look at me, how I am putting all the numbers on a line. So the 100 is on the 100, the tens are on the tens, and the ones are on the ones. Like I always tell you, draw a line, 2 lines. You start your addition. You add the ones together first. So you do 4 add 3. We know 4 add 3 is 7. Yes, that's right, it's 7. So now we go to our 10 columns. 6 add 2, 6 add 2, count on, 7, 8 is 8. Okay? And then we go to our 100 column. 2 add 1 is 3. So all together, we have the answer to 264 add 123 is 387. If you think I'm too fast, pause and do the work yourself as well. So I'm going to quickly give you something to do on your own, then pause the video and do it and see if you got the answer. So I'm going to write another easy one. 242 add 123 23 again, or let's change it to 25. Okay, adding, remember, always align. Okay, you can pause the video now and do it, but now let's solve the question. Let's see if your answer is right. 5 add 2, 2 add 5, we start from the 1, 7. 4 add 2, 6. 2 add 3, 2 add 1, 3. Okay, did you get the answer right? Okay, well done. So now we go and do the tricky one, the one that they call regrouping, the one that you have to borrow. Okay, so let's say we have 408. Okay, add 293. Do you think you can do this? Try first and see. Okay, pause the video and try. All right, so now let's do this. 8, remember we always start from the ones. 8 add 3. 8 add 3 is 9, 10, 11. It's 11. I'm not going to write all my 11 here. I'm going to write just 1 and put my 1 under 10 here. Okay, because I'm going to add to the next one. Okay, so 1 add 9 is 10. Add 0 is still 10. So I'm not going to write 10. I'm just going to write 0. The one that I have left, I'll put it here. Okay, now it's under the hundredths place. Now I'm going to add it. 1 add 4 is 5. Add 2, 7. Did you get this right? Let's check again. 11. We put 1 here, making 1 add 9, making 10. We put the 1 here. Then later we add 1 add 4, add 2, making 7. Did you get that? Okay, so quickly, let's do another, the missing number one that some of my children are finding tricky. So if you have a question like this, they say 50 add something gives me 100. When you have a question like this, I have adding and have a missing number that you need to do, we always do subtraction. We need to turn this plus. We do the opposite. The opposite of adding is minus. So we always minus the number that we add at the end. We minus it with the number they give us. So we write 100, that is here. We turn this to minus 50. I know we can do this one. 100 add 100 take away 50. It's not adding anymore, it's take away, so that we can get the answer. What is 100 take away 50? If I can't do it in my head or can't do it like this, I will try to do it in a column method. I will write my 50. Make sure my 50 is on the tens. Remember, 50 is supposed to be on the tens. Let's draw this so that it will not tens units. See? Okay. So 50, we write it here. Now is take away, okay? 0 take away 0 is still 0. 0, you have nothing. You want to take away 5 from 0. Is that possible? No. Oh, what do I need to do? Oh, I'll just go to my next door neighbor here and say, neighbor, please, can I borrow 1 from you? So now neighbor doesn't have anything left. So you take the one that you borrow and put it next to the 0 under the 10. Now it's turned to 10. Now we can do this sum. 10 take away 5 is 5. So our answer is 50. If you don't get this, watch it again. Okay? Now, let's quickly do another one. What about if I have 261 plus 10? How do I do this? So I'm not sure. I'm just going to do my column method again because I think that's the method I like and it's easy. And you can do that too. I write my 261 here. And now remember, I have 10. My 10 should be, 1 should be here, 0 should be here because it's 10. Then nothing here. Then adding. Yes, this is easy. Then you just add. 1 add 0 is 1. 1 add 6 is 7. 2 add nothing is 2. So your answer is 271. That's your answer for this question. Okay, so one more or two more quickly. One more actually because of time. Let's say you have this type of question. This is tricky. Plus 60 equals 454. Can you see that properly? Let me write this properly. So there's a question in one of the question homework that my children brought from school. It has this type of question in it, and they are finding it really tricky. But I am going to show you how to do it now. Okay, so remember, we're not sure what number is in here, but we can find out with the number here. Okay, so this is adding. And we want to find out what the answer is. Obviously 300 and something 4, but we don't know what it is. So we turn this to this adding. Remember when you have addition and there's a missing number there, you turn it to, yes, you turn it to minus. So you write the big number that is here, 554. This is minus, you take away, yes, 60. How do we do this? This is easy. Okay, I'll show you quickly. 4 take away 0 is 4. 5 take away 6. We can't do. Remember, we need to borrow 1. So from our neighbor, please borrow us 1. We put the 1 that he borrowed us here. But now, because we have taken away 1 from 4, we have 3 left. Okay, so now we have 15. We know how to do 15 take away 6. We're counting backward, okay? So we do 15, 14, go on, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, because we're taking away 6, okay? So we have 9. Now, we don't have 4 anymore. We have 3 now because remember we borrow 1 from here to give to this one. So it can be 15. Now it's only 3 left. So 3 take away nothing is 3. So our answer is 394. The number we're missing is 9. Guys, do you get it now? Do you get it? We will do more questions later in my next video. And if you're not sure how to do this sum, please watch this video again, over and over again. And parents, don't worry if your children are being given this type of math and it's very tricky, like 3 digits together, adding 3 digits number together can be tricky at first, but with more practice and with your help at home, they'll get better at it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you next time, bye for now.